Hello everyone, welcome everyone. Once again, myself Ajay Singh with the second part of the chapter Work and Energy from class 9th. Second part, it is actually for energy. What is energy? So, in our first part, you have seen, understood about the work, conditions of work, and the situations of work to be done, then units of work. You must be remember that in my first part of this chapter video, the first line was that work is the link between the force and energy. Force and energy. Force, in the topic work, you have seen the role of force deciding the work. Now the second is energy. Now let's see what is the role of energy to complete a work or to do a work. So start our topic, what is energy. As we all know it very well about the energy, and it is most important physical concepts. Most important energy is important for the life, or you can say the life is impossible without energy. What to do with energy? We use it to do the work and make all type of movements. Once again, life is impossible without energy, and we use it to do all type of work and make all movements. All type of movements are to be done with the help of energy. For example, when we eat, what happens then? Our body transforms the food into energy to do the work. When we run or walk or do some physical work, we use energy. Cars, planes, trains, and other various type of other machines transform energy into work. Energy lights our cities, moves our vehicles, and runs the wheels of industry. It also warms and cools our homes and places of works, cooks our food, plays our music and entertain us through television or other entertainment objects. So first of all, you have seen what the role of energy in our life. So that's why we say life is impossible without energy. And in fact, most of our energy needs is completed or met by the sun. Sun is the most important source of energy to us, to plants or to other living organisms. Sun is the most important source of energy, although also for the inanimate things. In a broad term, inanimate things also uses the sun energy for the different type of works. So let's see what is the energy. We use it to do work and make all movements. Anybody, whether it is animate and inanimate, living or non living, which is able to perform work, जो भी काम कर सकता है, वर्क कर सकता है, is said to have energy. Anybody. For example के लिए हम समझना अगर चाहें, a moving body moving body? Moving body can set other bodies into motion when it collide with them. Moving bodies like this, you can see I think it should be visible to you. Yes, I have two pens here. This is a stationary object and this is moving object. When this moving object collide with other object, it can set into movement. It's okay. Like spring of a watch or toy, खिलौना घर में सबने खेला भी है, सही बच्चों ने हम लोग जब छोटे थे खिलौने के साथ खेला है। उसमें की होती थी, की हम लोग फुल करते थे तो स्प्रिंग उसके अंदर होती थी। वो स्प्रिंग के अंदर एनर्जी स्टोर होती थी और वो जो टॉय होता था वो हमारा मूव करता था या वो काम करता था। इसी तरह से हमारे वॉच की जो स्प्रिंग होती है, रेज्ड हैमर, क्योंकि उसमें एनर्जी स्टोर हुई थी। अगर हम रेज्ड हैमर की बात करें, सो रेज्ड हैमर ड्राइव्स द नेल इनटू अ पीस ऑफ वुड। जो आपका हैमर है, व्हेन इट इज रेज्ड इट ड्राइव्स द नेल इनटू द वुडन पीस और sometimes into the walls, so that it is having the energy. Next, fast wind. Fast moving winds, it also does work, ये भी वर्क करती है। by setting the blades of a windmill into motion। जो windmill के blades होते हैं बड़े बड़े, fast wind also do work by keep the blades into the motion. So actually energy is, what is the energy? So energy of an object is defined as its capacity for doing work. What is the energy? The main point is it is defined its capacity किसी भी ऑब्जेक्ट की जो कैपेसिटी है for doing work, this is known as the energy. If there is no energy in an object, then it would not be capable to complete or to do any work, and this energy is measured by the total quantity of work it can do। जितना वर्क हम कर सकते हैं, जितना वर्क वो ऑब्जेक्ट कर सकता है, टोटल अमाउंट, उस टोटल जो क्वांटिटी है उस वर्क की, उसी से जो है ये एनर्जी हमारी मेज़र की जाती है। और यू कैन से एनर्जी इज़ ऑल्सो यू कैन से एनर्जी इज़ स्टोर्ड वर्क। एनर्जी एक स्टोर्ड वर्क है। वंस अगेन, एनर्जी इज़ द एनर्जी ऑफ एन ऑब्जेक्ट इज़ द कैपेसिटी to do work by that object. I think it should be clear to you. Now, units of energy. Its unit is also joule. Why? As it is measured in terms of its capacity to do work, because energy is needed to do work and it is measured in the terms of work. So its unit is also joule. So what is the 1 joule? 1 joule of energy. 1 joule of energy is that energy that required to perform 1 joule of work. When 1 joule of work is done, so you can say 1 joule of energy is consumed. Once again, when 1 joule of work is done, so you can say that 1 joule of energy is consumed. So this is the very simple topic. Energy is capacity of an object to do the work, and it is measured in the terms of quantity of work. Its unit is also 1 joule, like the work. And 1 joule of energy, what is the 1 joule of energy? 1 joule of energy is that energy that is required to perform 1 joule of work. So I think this topic would be very clear to you. And now this is a very brief definition for energy. Energy is a stored work. ठीक है. Now let's see the different forms of energy. What are the different forms of energy? If we talk about the different form of energy, तो आप तुरंत ही कहेंगे solar energy, nuclear energy. So let's see some more examples, some more types of energy forms of energy. So if we talk about the forms of energy, so what would we see? Forms of energy. First of all, solar energy. Solar energy means that energy which is radiated by the sun is known as the solar energy. Plants collect these energy and use this energy to make food for photosynthesis. You all are knowing this term, photosynthesis. So plant store this energy for the process of photosynthesis. Next, heat energy. The energy from temperature, the energy which is released when something is burnt. When something is burnt, we get heat energy. When something is burned, like coal, wood, or something other thing, so we get heat energy. Next is light energy. Light energy, light energy, you on the switch, the bulb lights, you get the light energy. You also get the light energy from the sun. सन से जो एनर्जी आपको रेडिएट हो रही है, यू ऑल्सो गेटिंग फ्रॉम सोलर एनर्जी, फ्रॉम सन रेडिएशंस, यू आर गेटिंग बोथ हीट एनर्जी एंड लाइट एनर्जी, दोनों आपको उससे मिल रही हैं. नेक्स्ट, केमिकल एनर्जी. केमिकल एनर्जी, केमिकल एनर्जी, यू यूज़ फॉसिल फ्यूल्स. आप फॉसिल फ्यूल्स यूज़ करते हैं, like coal, petroleum products like petrol, diesel and natural gas, and the energy by getting from getting these fossil fuels are also called the fuel energy. So fossil fuels, this is also known as the fuel energy. And the energy that we get from our food is also stored in the form of chemical energy in our body, in the cells of our body, different cells of our body. Next is the हाइड्रो एनर्जी. हाइड्रो एनर्जी भी सभी ने देखी हुई है, मतलब सुना हुआ है. हाइड्रो एनर्जी, द एनर्जी फ्रॉम वाटर, फ्रॉम रिवर्स, लेक्स. This water is stored in the dams and used this energy which is stored in the water to generate the electricity with the help of you can say with the help of turbines, है ना. Same hydro energy. Next is the wind energy. Wind energy, to rotate the blades of windmills, है ना, to rotate the blades of windmills, also to generate the energy. Next, और अगर हम फॉर्म देखना चाहें, सो बायोमास एनर्जी. बायोमास एनर्जी, so these are the different forms of energy I have spoken biomass energy, the energy from the living, you can say living matter or its residues, जो हमें लिविंग मैटर से मिल रही है। आप देखते हैं सड़ने गलने पर उससे भी एनर्जी जनरेट होती है, दैट इज बायोमास एनर्जी। नेक्स्ट यू हैव सीन साउंड एनर्जी। साउंड चैप्टर यू हैव स्टडीड sound energy. With the help of this energy we are able to hear, we are able to sensitize for the hearing. वाइब्रेट करने काम आती है ये एनर्जी, ऑब्जेक्ट वाइब्रेट करते हैं। देन इलेक्ट्रिकल एनर्जी, इलेक्ट्रिकल एनर्जी, इलेक्ट्रिक की एनर्जी, बड़ी बड़ी मशीन रोटेट्स होती हैं, वर्क करती हैं, रन करती हैं बड़ी बड़ी मशीन्स। देन मैकेनिकल एनर्जी, द एनर्जी फ्रॉम द डिफरेंट टाइप ऑफ बिग मशीन्स, है ना, इनके मशीन्स के चलने से, दैट एनर्जी इज़ ऑल्सो नोन एज मैकेनिकल एनर्जी, जो उसमें स्टोर्ड है मशीन्स में। And actually mechanical energy is the sum of two forms, kinetic energy and potential energy. Potential energy, mechanical energy actually is the total sum of these two forms of energy, kinetic energy and potential energy. And these two energy or the mechanical energy will be discussed in my third part of this chapter, third part. So this will discuss in detail what is the kinetic and what is the potential energy. So we are talking about the total sum of these energies are known as the mechanical energy. Same nuclear energy or magnetic energy, nuclear energy or magnetic energy, from magnet and from nuclear energy from nuclear fission and fusion, nuclear fission and nuclear fusion, इनसे मिलने वाली एनर्जी दैट इज द न्यूक्लियर एनर्जी, यूज्ड फॉर बोथ पर्पस। एंड मैग्नेटिक एनर्जी फ्रॉम मैग्नेट, ठीक है। सो दीज आर द डिफरेंट फॉर्म्स ऑफ एनर्जी। One more energy is tidal energy. Tidal energy. How we get the tidal energy? We get this energy from the rising and falling ocean tides. You must have heard about it. Rising and falling of ocean tides, इनसे मिलने वाली एनर्जी, दिस एनर्जी इज नोन एज द टाइडल एनर्जी, है ना। सो दीज आर द डिफरेंट फॉर्म्स ऑफ एनर्जी एंड वी गेट एंड वी यूज़ फॉर डेली लाइफ uses. So mind it and learn it. These are different forms of energy. Once again, energy of an object is defined as the capacity to do work by it. Unit is also 1 joule, like the work. And different forms of energy: solar energy, nuclear energy, magnetic energy, electrical energy, tidal energy, chemical energy, mechanical energy, which is the total sum of, that is the total sum of kinetic and potential energy. It will be discussed later part of this chapter. So please learn it, and with this I complete this part, and in next part I will explain you the mechanical energy, which is the total sum of kinetic and potential energy. So kinetic energy and potential energy will be discussed in the next part. Till then, okay, thank you, have a nice day and keep watching and like and subscribe my YouTube channel. None but it is edu.learnscience. Okay, thank you.